How to change gender in Honor of Kings. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the gender. First of all, open the application. So as you can see, I'm in my home page. Here on the left top, you can see the profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. So here in this profile settings, here you'll be able to see different information related to profile. Now here on the right top, simply tap on this settings. So here there are different options. Simply select on info. So these are the information available. Now there's a tab called gender. Tap on gender. So here you can select the gender that you want to change into. So here I'm tapping on one, and at last simply tap on confirm. So as you can see, the gender has been confirmed and is completely changed. So if you go back, it's all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.